want to get 800 subscribers quickly for this YouTuber that is complaining about subscriber count. Within a space of 3 months, he has already gotten over 20,000 subscribers. Hello guys, welcome back, and if you are new here, you are also welcome. Today's video is all about getting subscribers. So I have this YouTuber that commented on one of my posts, and it reads that I have started my second channel 7 days ago, and I have already gotten over 4,000 watch time hours with 200 subscribers. I feel like something is not fair. So this video is for people that have found themselves in this kind of situation where you get your watch time hours and you are struggling to get the 1,000 subscriber count that is required for monetization. Also, if you are a big brand outside YouTube and you want to join YouTube, you want to start YouTube from scratch, and you want to still maintain your big brand status, you want to maintain it on YouTube, I think you need to also watch this video. So I do see many YouTubers, especially small and new channels. I normally see them making so much mistake by jumping from one channel to the other, from one community to the other, doing sub for sub and all those stuff. That is not healthy. That will eventually come to hurt your channel in the future. YouTube is not Facebook, YouTube is not Instagram, YouTube is not TikTok. YouTube is totally different from most of the social media platforms. So I'm going to make this video just a quick tutorial on the alternative way. I mean, this is an alternative route that YouTube have provided, a feature YouTube provided right there in your YouTube studio that you can use to grow your audience. So now I believe that this YouTuber, the over 4,000 watch time hours he has gotten, I believe that he got it he got it organically, and he might struggle. For him to get only 200 subscribers, probably it might take him weeks or even months to even reach the 1,000 subscriber count. So instead of him to wait that long, it's best that he can use this feature in his YouTube studio. So what I'm saying, this feature is just the promotional or the promotion feature in your YouTube studio, which is backed with YouTube ads. So now I'm going to quickly walk you through on how you can promote your channel right from your YouTube studio with YouTube ads. So when you go to your YouTube studio, under the content page, you click on the promotions tab. So here it will give you this page, and the title is Promote Your Channel and Business on YouTube. So this particular word business means a lot. So this means that this particular feature, this particular tool in your YouTube studio is not meant for a typical content creator on YouTube. This is meant for businesses. But sometimes, like a content creator, you might have a course you want to sell, maybe online course, or you have some other programs that you want to monetize. You are selling something on your channel. That's you can leverage on this promotions feature to promote whatever thing you are selling on your channel. But if you are just a typical content creator, I don't think you should use this, unless like in this situation where this person needs like about 800 subscribers to hit his watch time, to hit his monetization threshold, then you can use this. So now I will go forward here, and it says, in addition to your regular channel growth, promotions can get your video in front of new audiences. So now if you see, this is just a sample of how it will look like. So let me click get started. So with this get started, when you click on get started, it will show you here, it will show Google Ads account. So I did a demo on this, so that's why I have this Google Ads account already here. But if you are doing this for the first time, you only have this option, create new account. So this also shows that you are using, this is just like Google Ads, you are promoting your channel with Google Ads. And if you want to take it to an advanced level, you click on this particular link. If you want advanced features, you can go to Google Ads. So when you click this, it will take you straight to Google Ads. So now I will click next. But if you are doing it for the first time, you will have this only option, create new account, and then you click next. But for this tutorial, I will select this one that I have already and click next. So in the goal section, it will ask you what's your main goal. So do you want audience growth? Do you want more views? Do you want website visits? So for this particular tutorial, what we want to get 800 subscribers quickly for this YouTuber that is complaining about subscriber count. So we're going to choose this audience growth, and under here you see that it says get more subscription and views of additional videos on your channel. So the keyword here is more subscription, that is more subscribers. Then I'll click next, and then here it will request me to present or to add a video that you will need for the promotion. So you have to select one of the videos on your channel or on the channel you want to promote. Then what I will do, I will click add, and then I will select, let me select the most recent video I have, and you can see it here. And when I scroll down, you see that this is how it will look like. So this is how it will look like on the home page of YouTube. So when someone opens their YouTube app, this video will just appear like this. YouTube will recommend my video just like this on their YouTube app. So if you are doing this promotion, this is how your video will look like on the YouTube app. Then I will tell you later what makes this very, very unique from other type of YouTube promotions. So within these option areas, you can also change, probably if the title of the video is different from what you want to use for the promotion, you can come over here and change it. And if your channel's name is different from what you want to promote it, you can change the promotion description. You can just change all this, and when you change them, it will adjust here. So one difference between this promotion and a typical organic video, YouTube recommendation, is this. When you check on this, a typical organic YouTube recommendation will just show you the thumbnail of the video, the minutes, and then it will now show you the title and the title of the video and the channel that owns the video. But for this particular kind of video, so even when the video appears, the person don't even need to watch your video, they'll just click subscribe. So if the person liked the topic of the video, they'll just click subscribe, and immediately click the subscribe button. It will automatically reflect on your channel. So this is how this promotion will look like. This channel is sponsoring his YouTube channel, and when I opened my YouTube app, this is how it appeared on my own page. You can see the sponsored. This shows that it is sponsored, and here you can see the name of the channel and the title of the video, and you can see the subscribe button. So when I click on the subscribe button, I'm automatically subscribed. You can see that it's subscribed. You can see the subscription added. So that means that my subscription has been counted into his YouTube channel. When I click on the video, you see that the subscriber button is no longer there because I'm already subscribed. Now I'm going to the channel's homepage. You can see that this channel has over 20,000 subscribers with just only 5 videos. And the interesting thing here again is that this channel was created August 19th, 2024. That is like about 3 months ago. Within a space of 3 months, he has already gotten over 20,000 subscribers. So this is how he built his channel. So he promoted his channel with the promotion features in his YouTube studio, and then he was able to get over 20,000 subscribers in less than 3 months, and with about 176,000 views. Okay, back to the promotion page. We have already set what we need. I will have to leave it this way. And then the next page is the targeting page. So here it gives me, automatically give me these 5 countries: Nigeria, United States, India, Kenya, and Ghana. So most YouTubers that I've seen that talked about YouTube promotions in the past, most of them always complain that promoting your channel with YouTube ads is not good, or let me say most times it ruins your channel or your analytics. But that's not the entire truth. I'm going to make another video and give you instances to show that it's not all the time. It depends on how you run your promotions. So, and now recently this promotions feature on your YouTube channel is now well refined, it's well optimized now. Like now you see these 5 countries that this promotions is recommending to me. If I go to my YouTube studio, when I go to my YouTube studio, you see that these 5 countries are the top 5 countries, are among the top 5 countries that my audience are coming from. So this shows that this promotions feature or the YouTube ads already has known everything about my analytics, about my metrics, everything about my channel. So if it's going to promote this video, it's going to definitely target the people I want it to reach. So when I go to my audience and scroll down to the top geographies, you can see Nigeria, United States, India, UK, and Ghana. And if you go to the long form videos, you see Kenya. So when you come over here, you see that it's almost the same thing. The only country that is not here is the United Kingdom. So this YouTube promotion feature is well optimized now compared to, like, let me say about 1 or 2 years ago. So if I go to the advanced targeting, here it asks me to enter the language I want. So definitely it will be English. So I'll select English here, click next. Then here comes the budget. This is where we come for the budget. So here it will ask me, how much do you want to spend? So here is the total budget that I want to spend and the day I want this promotion to end. So now if I check from the end date, you can see that it's like almost 2 weeks. This will run for 2 weeks. But for this case, we are trying to do this for this channel that just needs about 800 subscribers within the space of 2 or 3 days. So I'm going to reduce this day to 1 to 3. Today is the 5th of November. So I will choose 8. So this promotion will end November 8, 2024. That is within a space of 3 to 4 days. Now, coming to the budget, I don't need up to $200 to get this 1,000 subscribers. So I'll be estimating like about $50. And when I click $50, you will see that the estimated views will reflect. So here it is estimating the performance. So this $50 will give me about 9,000 views. So with this 9,000 views, you can do the math with the previous channel that I showed you. You can see that with this $50, depending on the niche your channel is, it will give you 1,000 subscribers, about 1,000 subscribers, at least between 500 to 1,000 subscribers. But it all depends on the kind of niche you are doing. So if you are in a low paying niche, you get more subscribers. If you're in a top paying niche, definitely you need to pay more to get the number of subscribers you want. So this is how it is. So when you click about estimate, it will give you some details about what you are spending on. So this is how to promote your video. That is if you want to get subscriber count fast. So instead of jumping from one community to another, from one channel to another, doing sub for sub, if you have the money, if you have this money, you can just pay and have your peace and focus on creating your content instead of begging for a subscriber. So finally, when I click next, it will not take me to the billing. So this billing page is where I will enter my card details for payment. So when I enter the required details and click promote, then the promotion will start. So this is how you can promote your YouTube channel and get 1,000 subscribers in a day. So it all depends on how much you are planning to spend to get your subscriber count. So I will recommend this to people that have already gotten 4,000 watch time hours and are still struggling to get their 1,000 subscriber count. But like if you're already like about 800 subscribers, close to the 1,000 subscriber count, there's no need to do this promotion. All you just need to do is just add a little push to your organic growth and you'll get it quickly. But if you're in this kind of situation where you are still very far from the 1,000 subscriber count, I think you can try this option. It will be helpful. And like I said earlier, if you're a big brand or you have a big brand outside YouTube and you are just joining YouTube, to create an awareness on the YouTube platform, and you want to still maintain your big brand status outside YouTube, you want to maintain that status on YouTube, then you can go this route. You can see the channel that I showed as an example. The channel just started 3 months ago, and it has already gotten over 20,000 subscribers with just 5 videos and about 170,000 views. So this is how powerful this feature that is in your YouTube studio can be. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Have you tried this on your channel? What was the result? And if you find yourself in this kind of situation where you need subscriber count desperately, are you willing to spend this much to get your subscriber count towards monetization? And also, you need to be aware that the views, the watch time hours you get from the views from these promotions are not counted towards monetization. So I need to highlight that so that you don't assume that you are going to get you get watch time hours from the views. Also, let me know in the comment section if you want me to do a dedicated video on how to use Google Ads or YouTube Ads to promote your channel, or if you want me to share a detailed analytics of a video that I've tried or have promoted before in the past. If you want me to share the detailed analytics, so let me know in the comment section. So I'll make a video on that so that you can see that on YouTube, there's no one way to growth. You can grow organically, and you can also grow in the paid promotion level. So whichever one you want is okay. But I would suggest or recommend that if you are just a typical content creator, like you do vlogs, you do those typical content, then there's no need for you to promote your channel because you don't have anything to sell. Just like what YouTube said, it is for business. So, but if you're a content creator that you have a online course, you have a program you want to run or whatever thing, and you want to create an awareness on YouTube, then you need to use this YouTube promotion. So give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful. And if you are new here, just hit the subscribe button so that you'll be part of the community. I do share helpful tips for growth on YouTube and how to be a better content creator. So thank you for watching. Yes, my camera is playing pranks on me. All the same, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.